Good morning. A painful case which was conducted by the state public prosecutor and presiding officers all mingled together with the accused, which happens to be MP of a ruling party, resulting acquittal of a murder case where 3 persons were shot dead because those persons did not vote for the said MP political party. See, this judgment deals with the extraordinary sections of section 56, 54 and 56 about the judicial notice of certain documents and certain events. So very important for the advocates who are concentrating on higher studies, research. This judgment would help you apart from the history which is sickening. Actually, this is AR 2023 Supreme Court 4331. Harendra Bhai Rai versus State of Bihar, wherein the important witness was abducted and prevented from deposing by the gang of MP accused. And thereafter what had happened, habeas corpus seems to have been filed. That habeas corpus proceedings, the state government attempted to close it on several occasions, but unfortunately the High Court did not close it and given lot of directions, including Lumini Devi, who seems to have been abducted. And thereafter she was examined as court witness. Despite that, the court and after giving evidence, there was manhandling, beating inside the court premises by the main accused party. Then thereafter 2 inquiries, all these things are kindly go through the entirety of judgment. So now I am concerned with the final ratio, which is most important for all people. Number 1, Fard Bayan of Rajendra Rai, which was later converted into FIR 161 statement of the deceased prior to his death, is admissible in evidence and is to be read as dying declaration for his last statement. Then tainted investigation shows the high-handedness of accused respondent number 2, who was a powerful person being a city MP of ruling party. Then prosecution had established even through the hostile witnesses that the date, time, place of incidents as given in the Fard Bayan of Rajendra Rai were fully established. The only issue was with regard to identity of the assailant. Post-mortem reports show that the death of Rajendra Rai, Doraga Rai, was homicidal in nature. The medico-legal report supported the prosecution story to the extent that injuries were caused by a firearm, which proved fatal 2 out of the 3 injured. Adverse inference against the accused is drawn in view of their subsequent conduct. Then this is most important. Judicial notice is taken of the judgment in the habeas corpus petition dated 13/7/2007 regarding the conduct of the accused, the investigating agency, the public prosecutor and the presiding officer conducting the trial. 2 administrative report of the respective judges who are constitutional functionaries also have to be given due credence and cannot be ignored outright regarding the conduct of the accused, public prosecutor and the presiding officer conducting the trial. Then CW1 statement is found to be reliable and the courts below wrongly discarded it on the ground that it was hearsay and tutored. Then dying declaration, the statement of CW1 fully established that it was Prabhunath Singh who had caused the injuries from his firearm weapon, which proved to be fatal for 2 out of the 3 injured and also caused injury to the third surviving injured, namely Srimati Devi. Prabhunath Singh is thus liable to be convicted under Section 302 and 307 for committing culpable homicide amounting to murder and attempting to murder. The rest accused were acquitted. This is what the judgment. There are multi-number of maxims were discussed and very interesting to read. Just we are witnessing a serial about some murder cases. Very interesting. Every line is interesting. So I can't read everything and bore you. And this is way. But the problem is, see, this is what problem. Somebody would have helped them in approaching the Supreme Court because they could not succeed before the High Court. High Court, they seem to have filed a revision. See, unfortunately, this judgment was dated 18/8/2023. Incident 25/3/1995, 23/5/1995 incident, and the MP was convicted only 2023 Supreme Court 43/31. What? And the so many fightings. I can't imagine this is the way in. Slowly it may come to other states also sometimes. And there are multi-number of lawyers like who conducted Vachati murder case, etc., Sankara Subbu, or multi-number of persons, or Vaigai madam, Anna Matthew madam. I do not know how they helped these moneyless people against the mighty power people. I hope you understand, but for so far young lawyers are concerned, kindly go through this judgment and read every page. Very interesting. Best wishes.